The story of Egal, Shidad, and the desert mirage. In a small village nestled amidst the sprawling savanna of rural Somalia, surrounded by dusty paths and thorny shrubs, lived Egal Shidad. Despite his gentle spirit, Egal was often the subject of jests for his fearfulness. He was known for his timidity, often startling at the rustle of grass or the scurry of a lizard. Determined to change this, Egal embarked on a journey under the vast Somali sky, where the stars shone like diamonds and the moon bathed the land in a gentle glow. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in shades of orange and red, Egal set out on a journey across the plains. He had heard stories of brave warriors and longed to be one of them. As Egal traversed the rugged terrain, his thoughts were on the stories of courage and valor he'd heard from the village elders. His journey was halted abruptly when he saw a figure in the distance, one that resembled the king of the savannah, a lion. Gripping his old, weathered spear, Egal steeled himself. "Be gone, mighty beast," he declared, though his voice quivered like the leaves of the acacia trees. The figure remained still, a silent sentinel in the moonlight. Egal's heart pounded in his chest. "This is my test," he thought. "I must face my fear." Egal spent the night in a tense standoff, his eyes fixed on the lion. He thought of his village, of the children who would grow up hearing the tale of how he protected them from the lion. Torn between fear and desire to prove himself, he imagined being hailed as a hero in his village, the man who stood up to a lion. As dawn painted the sky, Egal discovered the truth. The lion was merely a twisted, harmless baobab tree stump, its shape distorted by the night. A hearty laugh escaped Egal. "Oh tree, you seemed a beast in the night's deception. You've taught me that the fiercest lions are often in our minds." He laughed, a bit embarrassed, and said to the stump, "You taught me a lesson, my wooden friend. I won't let fear rule me again." Upon his return, Egal's story of the night and the baobab lion spread through the village. He was known for the man who tried to be brave, but yet ended up being a jest again. The story teaches us the importance of bravery. Bravery and valor are very good and important qualities, whereas timidity is a bad trait. So children, like Egal, we need to avoid being scared of everything and try to work harder and be strong so that we are not scared of the challenge.